Hello and welcome to Pork Talk. In this series, every month we'll be examining some key factors influencing the pig market at the moment and sharing insight from the market intelligence team. I'm Bethan Wilkins, an analyst with AHDB, and this month I'll be focusing on the recent uplift in European pig prices. EU pig prices are influential for prices here in Britain, as around 60% of the pig meat consumed in the UK is imported from Europe. This means our domestically produced product is directly competing with EU pork. You can see that GB pig prices tend to follow the same trend as the European price, but with less volatility. British pork also attracts a premium, reflecting that many retailers choose to back British, and there is a positive reception from consumers for supporting British farmers. Also, in contrast to most European production, around 40% of UK production comes from the outdoor herd, which attracts a higher price. Looking at the current trends, you can see that towards the end of 2017, EU pig prices were dropping sharply, as growth in production exceeded the demand for pig meat. This also weighed on the UK price, although declines were less dramatic. This meant the gap between the UK and EU price began to open up, making EU pork more competitive on the UK market. Over 5 years, the difference between the EU and UK pig reference price averages around 18 pence per kilogram, but in late 2017 it reached 28 pence per kilogram. Recently, however, the European market has turned upwards, gaining 8 pence in the past 3 weeks. This has narrowed the price differential again, although it remains slightly wider than normal. With this in mind, the gap would likely need to narrow further before an upward trend in EU prices could provide significant support to the UK market. So, are EU prices likely to keep rising? Reports suggest that the recent uplift has been driven by a tight supply situation, particularly in Germany. However, given the latest EU census results indicate increased supplies of pigs in Germany and other key European producers, this might not be expected to continue. As such, it is uncertain whether the strong upward momentum in the EU price will be maintained for long. Back in Britain, our latest forecast for 2018 anticipates supplies will remain strong in Q1. Official figures for January suggest production was 9% above 2017 levels during the month. However, there are downside risks to this supply forecast as we move into April, following from reports of difficulties with seasonality last year. So as we move further forwards, we might start to see some tightening of supplies on home shores and associated price support. The market intelligence team regularly analyses a range of factors influencing the pig market. So for more up-to-date information, please visit the Prices and Stats section of the AHDB Pork website via the link below.